Hello, Tals. Picture this, you are sitting with your cup of coffee, and we're about to talk strings in Python, a programming language as vibrant and expressive as your favorite music. Strings are like lines of a poem or a song lyrics. They can hold letters, numbers, and all sorts of symbols, forming words or sentences crucial for any program we craft. So first off, creating strings is super straightforward. Slap a string of text between quotes, either single or double makes no difference here, and Python gets the message loud and clear. I've got some text now, let's play with those characters. Now imagine you want to type in a lot of text, or even a verse from your go-to song. Python has your back with triple quotes. Don't just say so they do, put it to the test. We've declared Python my_favorite_quote is equal to may the force be with you, as it is with me, print the result. A string of epic proportions right on your display. We can manipulate and combine these lines using concatenation, just as we combine lyrics in our favorite songs. And of course, Python is welcoming, so it allows us to perform operations like adding spaces between words, transforming characters in the string, making Python strings as flexible as a skilled lyricist. Now, what about getting our hands on each character 1, 2, even 3 at a time? Python doesn't just let you peek at the first character. Nope, what you need is an index. The first character is, of course, at 0. It's like an ordered list, we just hop from one character to the next, counting upwards. Python has even a twist, allowing negative indices. It's like time traveling back to the beginning. It's not always about retrieving, sometimes we need to modify our string. With slicing, we've got the precision of an archer. Python allows us to cut and paste substrings, transforming our string as if we're the DJ mixing up a beat. It's as direct as it sounds. Grab a slice, make adjustments within, and let Python put it back together with a dashboard update. Python even respects the individuality of our characters. It's ASCII and Unicode all the way. Each character is more specific, its own unique value. The ASCII function in Python gives the ASCII representation, like translating our letters into a universal numeric language. Imagine ASCII characters as a secret code. Python can unveil any obscure character's true identity, just like a cryptographer. What if we want to count how often our cherished emojis appear as themes in our strings? The count method is like our fans' watchful eyes, tallying every occurrence of our heart or smiley faces. And talking about replacing characters, Python's replace function is like a magic eraser. It swipes away unwanted characters, replacing them with a chosen substitution. It's like giving a brand new twist to an old song. When it comes to finding bits of our string in another piece, Python's find and index functions work like a treasure hunter's map and compass. They guide us to the location of special phrases within our sea of characters. Uncovering the X marks the spot. Now comes regex, not the latest model of motor vehicles, but a language pattern search, an advanced method for finding special sequence of characters that match specific rules, like finding a needle in a haystack, only this haystack is way bigger. And remember my earlier friend, str.strip? It's our personal trainer, trimming away unwanted spaces or excess characters from our string, leaving only the core content intact, just like a tailor refining our clothes. Lastly, as always, Python provides functions to transform our strings to a certain case, to either convert them all to uppercase or sway into lowercase. It makes it super easy to standardize our string content, regardless of how we've entered it. Now friends, Strings in Python are as versatile as we want. It's like a treasure chest of expressive tools, waiting for us to explore its depths. To learn even more about Python, you can visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more Python programming tales to keep you coding and solving in style. See you soon, fellow programmers.